guys, this is Chris with Summit 4x4 Company, and we're with Road Armor teaching you how to do a single line pull with your winch.
Okay, so going up this hill, we have gotten ourselves into a little bit of a pickle. We now are at a point where this isn't really safe to keep going a whole lot more. So we're gonna get the winch out of here. We're then gonna put the single line pull in action, pull up to that tree that's straight ahead, and get us safely out of this situation. So let's go ahead and do it. So on these Toyotas, as hidden as the winch is, we do have to open up the hood here. We're gonna get in here, pop the clutch into free spool, so we can get this line out and start hooking this all up. We'll just go straight to that little oak up there, Mike. It's a lot steeper than it looks. So, same as when we did it in the camp spot, we are just gonna hook this up using a tree strap. One thing that we need to look at is normally we put this as low as possible. We may have to pick it up a little bit once we get over there to see where that's at so we don't rub our rope on the ground. So we'll address that once we get everything set up. But for right now, let's hook it up and see where we're at. Okay, we're gonna pull this lightly tight, but not put any actual load on it. Then at that point, we'll clear everybody out, go over what we're doing, and put line dampener on, make sure we are in a safe spot and we've got no rubbing, no abrasion, nothing with the rope that's gonna get in our way. So we're gonna start shortening it up, still keeping tension on the rope at this time because we don't wanna get it loose in there and then run into an issue down the road. Okay, so this is tight, but it is not by any means tight. It's still very wiggly. So we've got our line dampener here, and we are just gonna put it, this is about the middle third, right in the middle. So that's gonna help just keep our winch rope a little bit safer while we do this. Put it in neutral, park your brakes off. Okay, I'm gonna pull up some tension on it. I'm gonna help nice and easy. Don't apply throttle till I tell you to. We're gonna keep the load secure. Once we get the load on here secure and smooth, so you don't tip backwards anymore, then we may apply a little bit of throttle as needed. And you can see the winch as it's tightening up is starting to pull the front end down. We're using nice short burst, making sure the load is controlled. Perfect. Now we've got the truck level and secure, we can start moving up towards the line. Nice easy pulls, because as this is going, we do not want to shock load the drum. The drum needs to stay exactly where it was designed to be, which is just smooth pulling power. We're gonna put it in drive. I'm gonna let out a little bit of slack and walk up there with you. Let's just make sure that we can pull all this out. We don't need to use it again before we unrig the whole thing. Okay, well we did that. Let's put it away. He's up to the top of the hill now, and let's go from there.